Well, hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick video today. My bike had this problem with a sagging chain, and I don't have any footage of it before, unfortunately. I thought maybe it was my rear derailleur, but it turns out it was not. So I just want to go over real quick on what it was. I made a short on this video. It's going to be coming out soon. But what would happen when I would reverse pedal, the chain would just drop and drag all along here. You can see where the kids were riding it some, and it just drug and scraped all that up. So did some research on the internet. Now, I'm not a bike mechanic by any means, so be nice to me. But what I figured out to fix this, because I thought maybe derailleur spring something, but it turns out it was the hub or freewheel or free hub or whatever you call it. If you look right in here, right where this sprocket connects down on this aluminum piece right here in the middle, I think it's aluminum, there's a slot, and it's going to be really hard for you to see. But what I did is I took my spray lubricant and I used the straw, and I got in there and sprayed it all around, spun the hub, sprayed it some more, spun it until it finally, because what was happening is it was just kind of catching, and the derailleur, let me go back to the other side. So the hub was kind of sticking a little bit. It was just dirty in there. And when I would spin the pedal backwards, it would stick right here some, and the chain would just drop. The derailleur tension couldn't keep up with it, and it would just bang around. The chain would almost fall off. Just weird behavior. I've not seen this before, so been working on that. It may be obvious to you guys, but I was looking all over for derailleur problems, all this stuff, and just couldn't figure it out. Anyway, that's how I ended up fixing it. Now, I probably need to take that off and clean it out, would be the permanent fix, but I don't have the right tools to do it right now, so I'm going to stick with it the way it is, and probably just put some oil in there, maybe some 3-in-1 oil or something in there, just to lube it a little bit, spin it around some more. But yeah, that's how we did it, and that's all we have today, guys. Just a quick one. Wanted to get that out there. I searched videos and couldn't find any videos on that. Like, most of them said just move your back tire back and all that stuff. That was all good, so that's what it ended up being. Anyway, guys, quick fix. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.